Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y01 and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. So the first I want to show you how we can take photos, and normally you can take them by tapping on the shutter, pressing on the volume buttons, volume up and volume down, but also you can open the settings where you can find other options. So enter for the shutter and enable touch and voice. So we can say cheese. As you can see, the voice command is activated, but also we can just tap on the screen and the photo will be also taken. So we got 4 different methods how we can take photos in this smartphone. Okay, let's turn off this touch shutter because I want to show you how you can change the brightness level on these photos. So we have to tap on the screen and move this sun icon like that to decrease or increase brightness level on the photo and the video modes. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen once. When you tap right here, and we can also enter for shutter countdown, so we can get small delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. As you can see, after 5 seconds photo will be taken, so this mode is useful when you try to take photos on the tripod. And the last option that we can use is the video resolution, so go for the full HD to increase the video quality. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.